to entertain that Paulo Cruzada. Because I'm not joining with Paulo Cruzada, of course, because me and Ronald Rebena, we are witness. Of course, I'm the witness too, and what I realize, eh, Paulo Cruzada, he harassed Teacher May. What you gonna say to yourself, Paulo Cruzada? If your parents would say to you, you should be ashamed of yourself. It's not nice to harass Teacher May. Teacher May, she's very old. She's really 54 or she's 53. Or how old is she? Or middle age. She will be 54. Oh, remember, like I say again, Paulo Cruzada, um, do not harass Teacher May. She's very retired. Oh, when I see these words, I could say, she is very retired. She is really retired. Oh, wag mo kasi ganunin si Teacher May. You know that, Paulo Cruzada. She is really doesn't like negative. She doesn't like defiant and resilient. She doesn't like defiant. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, you need to better to learn your consequence. And you should be ashamed of yourself. Oh, Teacher May is very disappointed at you. Like, you threatening to her to harass her or rape her. Paulo Cruzada, rape is not really a bail. You should be in lifetime in prison. Like, I was told by J. Rick Silva, there is reclusion perpetua. Oh, and it's not a bail. Just be remember, Paulo Cruzada, the ones that you say about rape at Teacher May, there is no bail. There is reclusion perpetua. However, when you made a mistake, when you made lots of consequence, I reported to you to the... I reported to Ramon Jose. I chat Ramon Jose.
What charger?
That's not a... I never seen your charger. Yeah. Okay, but you realize, Paulo Cruzada, you should pay for your consequence. For me, I don't want to fight with you. I don't want to join with you. You are an asshole. You are abnormal, Paulo Cruzada. You have to pay for your consequence for what you did to Teacher May. Babayaran mo yan, like I said. You know what you did to Teacher May? You need to pay your consequence. Because right now, I will never going to forgive you. I will never ever to forgive you like such an imbecile, such a defiant person who have no mercy to the former teachers. Because right now, I will never forgive you, Paulo Cruzada. Never forgive you. That is your fault. That is your consequence. Do not blame anybody. If you blame me, if you blame J. Rick Silva, if you blame uh, any person that who are involved, that is your fault. You say you don't have an evolution your brain or something, Paulo Cruzada, that is your fault. Have a shame of yourself, have a shame to your family. You don't know who you are, you do not know what you're talking about. Oh. Paulo Cruzada, your parents had lashed you out. They reprimand you because you are not learning a lesson. Your mother calls you a special child. How did a special child harass Teacher May to idolize ISIS? Oh, how did Paulo Cruzada, that he is ISIS wannabe, if he is a Marcos loyalist wannabe, he wants to be an Islamic State of something, he wants to harass Teacher May? What is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada?